Characteristics of money. Characteristics of money. If you're following me on YouTube, I want you to subscribe. If you're following me on TikTok, I want you to follow me. If you're following me on Facebook, I want you to follow me. You need to be financial literate, or else you be in financial mess. We are looking at today. We are looking at tech. We are looking at characteristics of money. Characteristics of money. What are the characters of money? If you don't know the characters of money, I tell you, you will remain poor forever. And one of the characters is that money flies. Money flies. Money has a wing to fly. If you don't know how to keep money, if you don't know how to protect money, if you don't know how to save money, money will fly off your hand. There are some people, once 500,000 enter their hand, once 200,000 enter their hand, once 100,000 enter their hand, how it will be shaking them, it will be moving them, it will be shaking them. Buy this, acquire this, buy this, buy this, acquire this. The money wants to fly. They are shaking. They are shaking. I tell you, you need to learn how to control your money. Learn how to have control over your money, or else your money will fly. It will fly off your hand. Before you know it, you buy this, you acquire this, you move this, you chop this, you do this. Before you know, 200,000 will come down to 20,000. So money flies. Another characteristics of money is money need accommodation. Money need accommodation. You need to learn how to accommodate money. In those days, our fathers, they are very sensitive. Good strangers, when strangers come, they know how to take care of them. They don't know whether that stranger has come with a good message or that stranger is an angel. That is how money is. When money come, try to accommodate that money. Try to keep that money. It's not how much you make, young man, it's not how much you make. I have seen many people that earn $500, that earn $1,000 every week. But I tell you, you see them begging for 2,000, 3,000. They earn a lot of money, but yet they keep begging. Why? They don't know how to accommodate money. You need to learn how to accommodate money. It's not how much you make, but how much you can keep. So money needs accommodation. Learn how to accommodate money. When money come, for example, 500,000 naira enter your hand right now, or 2.5 million enter your hand right now. Pretend as if nothing has come in. Pretend as if nothing has come in. Control yourself. Don't just be emotional about the money. No. Relax. Young man, relax. That money you think is money is not money. Eh? 5 point something million naira that just enter your account is no money. It's no money. Don't shake. Calm down. Try to accommodate the money. Let the money relax. Leave the money. If possible, leave the money. Leave the money for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 5 days, as if nothing happened. Then you now calm down and reason what you need to do with that money. Are you getting me? Of course, you know that any money that enter your hand, 33% is for investment. That another 33% is for you. Is for you. Is for life. It's the money you keep in the bank. You don't touch it. We say that money dies with you, except that is something you want to do with that money, except you want to invest that money. That money is cash in the bank. It's kept for emergency business, emergency opportunity. You can now use it. You don't touch it. Then the next 33% is the money you use, for expenses. For expenses. So that's how you use your money. So money need accommodation. Another characteristics of money is that money grows. Money grows. Any man who does not know how to grow money will remain poor forever. I bet you will remain poor forever. You need to grow money. Money grows. Money is like a tree. You grow it. You plant it, it grows. There are people, there are fathers, our fathers, there are men, great men. You see these great men. When you hear about Davido, you think Davido is a rich man. You think he just, the family is done. Apart from Davido richness, the family is done. These are men that have, that have grown money. Their family have grown money. They can't be poor in their life. They have grown money. So you grow money. Money grows. Learn how to grow money. Learn how to grow money. Nurture money. Don't rush in expenses. Grow it. Nurture it. What you should think anytime money enter your hand is, what will I do with? How will I multiply this money? How will this money be multiplied? You have $5,000. What you think? How can I multiply $5,000 to $10,000? This is what you need to do. You grow money, or else the money will fly away. Another characteristics of money is that money need channels. Money need channels. Do you want money to come? Create a channel. Do you want money to flow in your hand? Create a channel. Do you want money to come and stay? Create a channel. Money likes channel. What do I mean by channel? Look for businesses. Look for multiple businesses. Multiple businesses. But I want to let you know, you can create businesses which their presence is not needed. You can create a business and make a system and structure where this money can come from and your attention is not needed. Yes, you can grow your business. For example, if you have a business you are doing, remember your business need 80% of your attention. Don't forget that every business you start need 80% of your attention. For that business to grow, you need to put your attention in that business. Now, when that business grow and you begin to make enough income, then you need to grow other businesses. But these businesses you must grow must be businesses that you can do without, businesses that will work, function without your presence. You look for a business that can grow, that can work without your presence, because it cannot be here and be there. So what you need to do is to look for a business that can grow, create systems and structures of that particular business so they can grow. Even when you are not there, that business can function. So create channels for you to get money. The only way, the simplest way to make money is to create channels of money. Look for ways. What can I do for money to enter my pocket? What can I do for money to enter my pocket? That's what you do. You create channels, create businesses, create contacts, create connections. Then you see money entering. Finally, when this money enter, remember to pay yourself first. You are the man that suffered. You are the man that labored. You need to pay yourself first. Remember, any money you pay yourself first remain in your account. It's untouchable. We call it for life. You don't touch it. Leave that money. Don't touch it. Even if the heaven is falling, don't touch it. Except you are critically sick, then you can touch it. Apart from that, I mean critically, not malaria and typhoid. If you are sick and the doctor said if you don't bring money, you are going to die, then that is when you can touch that money. Or maybe your children, if your child is seriously sick, I mean seriously sick, that's when, because life is involved, that's when you can touch that money. That money is for life. You don't touch it. It's kept for emergency opportunities that will come your way. It's kept for emergency businesses that will come your way. That is when you can touch that money. It's kept. It's cash in the bank. You don't touch it. Don't forget, if you're watching me on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. If you're watching me on TikTok, please follow me. If you're watching me on Facebook, please follow me. Don't forget, I'm your financial coach. See you next time in my next videos. Bye.
Is this your first time visiting my channel? Please like, click on the red subscribe button and the bell close to it. Subscription is free. Thank you.